Hey there, party lovers! Today, we're going to talk about the perfect party pack, a unique and innovative gift packaging product that's sure to make your next celebration even more memorable. So, let's dive right in. The perfect party pack is a fun and unique set that includes a blister pack with 3 slots, each designed to hold a rolled-up cash, small gifts, or letters. This makes it the perfect gift for various special occasions, such as birthdays, anniversaries, or just because you want to spread some joy. The blister pack is designed with a transparent window, so the recipient can see the contents inside. It's a great way to add a touch of mystery and excitement to your gift giving. Plus, the blister pack is made of high-quality material, ensuring that your gift stays safe and secure during transportation. The perfect party pack is not only a practical and convenient gift packaging solution, but it's also a great way to add a personal touch to your gifts. You can customize the blister pack with a special message or design, making it even more unique and memorable. Until next time, happy partying!